Blaise, you were firing outside of a few shots here and there. You played a pretty clean match.
Yeah, sometimes I overplayed a bit, and it was kind of just finding a balance between hitting the right shots and not overdoing it, and maybe hitting at 80% and still getting the same result.
What do you think you did really well today?
I returned well. I didn't miss many returns, which I've been working on a lot with my coach and stuff, so happy to get there.
Yeah, he did an amazing job. He's shown us how much he's improved, and he's working hard. And so, you know, it's my job to try to keep up, and he showed us that he's really playing at a high level of tennis.
Which part of your game you'd have probably wanted to be a little better today?
Today, I think sometimes in the forehand to forehand rallies, he started to get the advantage. I would like to be able to stay a little bit more even in that regard, and you know, be able to press more on my forehand where I'm hurting him as well. That was one of the big factors today.
And just men's class 3, Stephen Ricardo. Congratulations to you. Presentation made by Mr. Sean Shelton.
For me, I think it was a very successful tournament. I'm very happy. I'm very pleased with the support that we got from all the spectators. I've seen people here, spectators here that I've not seen in 20 years come out support Blaise Bicknell and Rowland Phillips here. And for me, it was a win-win. I'm very excited and very happy, and I'm already looking forward to next year.
By all accounts, you ran a pretty good shop. Your thoughts on this event through your eyes?
Well, I mean, it exceeded my expectations. I mean, the support has been great. Really didn't expect so much people to come out, but I mean, we had the #1 and #2 player in Jamaica playing, so I guess that brought the attention here. So we give thanks.
And what you're looking like for next year?
Hopefully to bring some regional players, and each year we want to raise the bar. So look forward to next year.